Hey everybody, so I just wanted to go over one final menu here, and that is this one. And this is useful if, say, you don't have any content or you need to add to the content that you currently have. So this software has a bunch of free content that you can use. This might be more relevant to somebody who is, say, using this for professional reasons because this is, free to use. You don't necessarily need, licensing or anything. Like you bought the program, so you're good. But it's more relevant for if you're going to. This is helpful for professional reasons, but for personal reasons, if say you wanted to add like we were talking about earlier, if you wanted to add a scene of like a waterfall or like clouds rolling in to something that you're in on top of an image that you already have. Like there's a lot of cool stuff and we already went over picture in picture. So you definitely can put yourself in this picture, which would actually be pretty cool. So with that being said, this is a menu that you guys can definitely go through at will. There's tons of stuff in here, so we don't necessarily need to go through this together, but they also have ways of splitting it up here. So and then of course they have both videos and pictures, so you can definitely feel free to use these at will. And then I'm going to go back over to the editor here, and then it's basically, I'm just going to highlight that's how I got to that menu. All right, so that one was short and sweet. I'll see you on the next one, guys.